to question number 9. Now I am taking question number 10. In question number 10, they have given you some two sets A or B whose elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Set A whose elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. And set B whose elements are 1, 5, 9, 11, 1, 5, 9, 11 and 15, 16. ये एलिमेंट्स है आपके 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है. They have given you function f. What is the function f whose element are 1, 5 and 2, 9, 3, 1, 4, 5, 2, 11. Are the following true? F is a relation from A to B. F is a function from A to B. ठीक है. तो देखिए रिलेशन की व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ रिलेशन. रिलेशन इज ए सबसेट of Cartesian product of A cross B. A cross B means first element we have to take from set A and second element from set B. So 1, 5, 2, 9, 3, 6, 4, 5. ठीक है. और 2, 11, 2, 11, 2, 11 we can also take, है ना. One element can be engaged into different two same element also in relation. ठीक है. But in case of function, it is a relation but not a function. Why? Because 2 has the two different images, 2, 9 or 2, 11. ठीक है. Same element have the different images, so it is not a function. ठीक है. The first part was you have to tell it is a relation or not. It is a relation because the condition of relation is satisfied. What is the condition? Condition relation is a subset of Cartesian product of A cross B. ठीक है. But function is a rule if different element. ठीक है. If the every element of set A have the unique image in set B. But 1, 5, 2, 9 or 3, 6, 4, 5, there is no problem, but the problem is coming here, 2, 11. Okay, 2 is the same element but having the different images, so it is not a function. But this was the question. It is a very simple question. Okay, now we are taking the next question, question 11. देखिए क्वेश्चन 11 है f equal to, they have given the condition A B such that A plus B. यानी कि क्या फंक्शन है. F is a function from Z to Z. Justify your answer. We have to justify our answer also. ठीक है. They are saying f a b equal to a plus b. It means if we take element a and b, a b are two elements belonging to set integer. ठीक है. Any two integer you can take. Suppose if I take 1 into 2, I will get what? 1 plus 2, that is 3. It means f2 has f2 equal to 3. Similarly, if I take 2 into 2, then 2 plus 2 equal to 4, यानी कि F2 is equal to F4 equal to 4. You can take any element. Suppose if I take F minus 1 into 3, it means minus 1 plus 3 equal to 2, F minus 3 equal to 2. ठीक है, by the given condition, by the given rule, we can find the domain and range. This is the domain 2, 4, minus 3. This is the range 3, 4, 2. So we are getting the different, if we are putting the different element, we are getting the different images, but it is not true for all values. ठीक है, for example, if in place of A, if I take 0, ठीक है, in place of B I take 2, what will be the result? Result will be 0 plus 2 equal to 2. If I take F 0 into 3, you will observe here it will be become 0 plus 3, yani कि it is equal to 3. It means F0 equal to 2 or F0 equal to 3. यानी कि same element have the different images, so it is not a function. So you are observing that the condition of function is following in so many times. So many times you are observing the value is following a function. The condition of function is following so many terms in infinite terms. But if we take in place one term 0, in place of AB, either we take 0, so we get the same result. That's why it is not a function. The same image, same element have the two or more different images, so it is not a function. Okay? That's why it is not a function, because same element, what one? 0. Same element 0 have the different images, so it is not a function. ठीक है, now we come to the last question, that is question number 12 of this chapter and exercise. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 है आपका, a equal to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, f a to n, मतलब f such that a to n, यानी कि n का मतलब है कोडोमेन इज ए नेचुरल नंबर, fn equal to the highest prime factor of n. The highest prime factor of n. मतलब suppose if we take f9, okay, if we do the factor prime factorization, what will be the 3 into 3, ठीक है, 3 3 is 9, so 3 is the highest prime factor. f9 is equal to 3. Similarly, f10 equal to, ठीक है, 2 5 the 10, 5 is the highest prime factor, so f10 equal to 5. Similarly, f11 will be equal to 11, f12 equal to 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, f12 is equal to 3, f13 equal to 30. ठीक है, you have to take the prime factors first, है ना. After getting prime factorization, we have to search the highest prime factor. So F9, the value of F9 will be 3. The value of F10 will be 5. F11, only 11 1 11. Okay, so 11 is the first, only the prime factor. F12, 12 in case we are getting the same result. F9 is equal to 3 or F12 is also 3. So two different images, two different points have the same image. But one element does not have the two different images. So different, every element of set have the unique image. Okay? But it is a many-one function. It doesn't matter if a two different elements have the same as image. It is a function. It is possible. Function is a rule which associates every element of set A to unique image, unique element of set B. यानी कि यूनिक एलिमेंट होना चाहिए F9 इज इक्वल टू 3 है. ऐसा ना हो कि F9 की दो इमेज डिफरेंट इमेजेस इफ वी फाइंड then we say it is not a unique image, but two different elements can have the same image. If two different elements have the same image, we say that it is a many one function. ठीक है. So we have completed this chapter. This was the chapter relation and function. Now we are coming to the next chapter. That is the chapter trigonometric function. Trigonometric function, in this chapter you have studied in 10th class also. Okay. After whatever you have studied in 10th class, so we have to use that formulas, and further we will get the new formulas. Okay. You have to remember them. But first exercise very simple. Okay. So you are just, I am explaining you first exercise. Okay. So you can do yourself some questions, some part I am solving. देखिए, you know this is a circle. Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. ठीक है. This is the circumference. You know from the 6th class you are using 6th, 7th, 8th class. The circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. If we take, ठीक है, there is a relation between L and R. If we take the radius 1, so circumference will be equal to 2 pi. If we take radius equal to 1, that is known as a unit circle. So 2 pi will be the circumference of the circle if we take radius 1 unit. ठीक है. और this is known as the arc L. This is R. This is the angle. There is a relation between L, R and theta that is known as L equal to R theta. ठीक है. So theta is an angle. This is the arc. Theta, which is the angle which is made by the arc. Whatever arc we are taking, the whole arc we take C equal to 2 pi. है ना. If we take R equal to 2 pi or radius we are taking 1, so theta is equal to 2 pi. यानी कि the whole circle will make the angle at the center in radians. This is the measurement in radians. So different measure we use. One is in degrees and another one is radian. But you know that theta is also equal to, in the circle, angle formed by, that is 360 degrees. This is the radian measure, theta equal to 2 pi. This is the degree measure, theta is equal to 360 degrees. So now we get the relation 2 pi is equal to 360 degrees. So you can use this relation pi equal to, यानी कि pi radian equal to 180 degrees. This relation, this is a symbol of radian. If you want to put the symbol, this is a symbol. Arc को G is the, we are making the C symbol, circumference. ठीक है. which is making in the arc form. ठीक है, pi radian equal to 180 degree, pi radian is equal to 180 degree, or just you remember pi is equal to 180. So you just observe pi upon 2, यानी कि half we do, तो pi upon 2 is equal to 90 degree. Pi upon 4, that will be 45 degree. Just divide the both terms. 44 by 4, you will get the relation pi by 4 equal to 45 degree. So this formula L is equal to R theta, ठीक है, और pi equal to 180 degree. You have to use these two relations in this exercise. ठीक है, how we will use, just I am explaining by taking your exercise. देखिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एक्सरसाइज है 3.1. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 25 degree. We have to convert in radian. Another is minus 47 degree and 30 minutes. ठीक है, you know that 180 degree is equal to 180 degree equal to pi radian. 1 degree equal to will be pi upon 180 degree, and 25 degree will be equal to pi upon 180 into 25. This is a unitary method. है ना? Suppose you know the cost of 30 articles. So first you find the cost of one article, then you can find out the cost of any article 7, 12, 13, 14. The same way, so 180 degree equal to pi radian. So 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180, 25 degree is equal to this one. So you can simplify by dividing 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15, 5 6 is 30, यानी कि 5 pi equal to 36. So we have converted into 25 degree, 5 pi upon 36. Now we want to convert 47 degree and 30 minutes. What is the minute? क्या relation है? देखिए 1 degree equal to होता है 60 minutes. We write in this form. And 1 minute equal to होता है 60 seconds. यानी कि whole part we have divided into in the circle. If we divide, we have made the division. They are 360 divisions. So 1 degree we have taken is 1. We made and again 60 division of this part, that is equal to 1 minute. 1 minute is will be the very small number. ठीक है, 1 degree 1 minute will be a very small degree number. It will make a very less space between them. We have again divided it into 60 parts, that is known as a 1 second. ठीक है, in this way we have divided the whole part. So minus है, so the answer will come in negative portion. But in the beginning we are converting the 47 degree, we are taking without negative sign. 47 degree, first of all we are converting this 30 minutes into degree after dividing by 60, because 60 minutes equal to 1 degree. So 30 minutes will be equal to 30 upon 60, यानी कि 1 upon 2, यानी कि 47 into 1 upon 2. ठीक है, if you get this one, you will get 47 1 upon 2, or you can just write separately if you want to write separately 47, yeah, 47 plus 1 upon 2. So you will have to find the value. So you have to take LCM. 2 7 is 14, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 90 plus 1, 95 upon 2. So this is the degree. We have converted 47 degree 30 minutes into degree. Minute we have converted into degree. So now we want to convert. So as we know that 180 degree equal to pi radian, 1 degree equal to pi upon, है ना, 10 ऐसे के 10 का सिंबल यू कैन यूज 10 180 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू पाई रेडियन. सो 1 degree equal to pi upon 180 degree. So the value of 95 upon 2 degree will be equal to pi upon 180 into 2 upon 2 will be, oh sorry, 95 upon 2. You can simplify now. ठीक है, तो you just divide by 5, 5 1 या 5, 5 9 ja. Now you divide 9 3 ja, 9 5 3 ja 15, 5 6 ja 30, 19 okay, no, just you put the value, pi की value you can use 22 upon 7 into 19. ठीक है, it is here 36 and 2. Just you simplify this one. This will be your answer. After multiplying, dividing, you will get the answer. But this is the minus 47 degree. So what will be the answer? Minus 47 degree, 30 minutes equal to, just write whatever you get the value with minus sign, because it was given in the negative term. ठीक है, we have converted. So as I have explained you, so you can do this first question, remaining part by yourself. Out of 4 parts, I have explained you 2 parts. Now we see the next question, that is second one. In this question we have to do the reverse process. They will give you in radian, so you have to convert it into degree. What question they have given you? Find the degree measure corresponding to following radian measure. Pi equal to 22 upon 7 have to use in first question. Pi 11 upon 16. Pi radian is 10 pi. So 1 radian equal to 180 upon pi. So 11 upon 16 radian equal to 1 upon 18 upon pi. Pi in place of pi you can write 22 upon 7. 7 will come here. You have to multiply with 11 upon 16. 16 will come here. 11 2 ja 22, 2 9 ja 18, 90. Okay. Now you can multiply 16 5 ja 80. You will get the again 5 remainder. Okay. 16 3 ja 48. And then you will get 2. With multiplying 7, you will get 7, 7 3 ja 21. Okay. Either you can leave the answer here also. If they have given, they can give you in decimal also, they can give you answer in pi form also, but whatever you feel free, you are free to write in any manner. Okay. So we have converted into this radian into degree, 37 degree. I think it is a right way. You just convert into decimal, or you can write in fraction also. You know, if you are not feeling, they can give you answer in fraction also. If you write in fraction, so what will be the answer? 630 upon 16. This is in degree. If you want to convert into 630, so just see here 630. If you divide by 16, 16 3 is 48. Or 16 9 is 6 आ गया रिमाइंडर, ठीक है। नाउ this is 6 is the remainder. So now you have completed 39 degree. So remainder we cannot divide directly in decimal form because it is not in the decimal system. It is in the minute and second system. So you have to just take care. Either you leave here, okay, without dividing, or now you have to multiply this 6 remainder with 60. Okay, you will get 360. Now it is in minutes. If you divide, then you will get the answer in minutes. 16 to the 32 and 4 remainder, ठीक है, or 16 to the 32. Here you are getting 8 remainder. Now you have to again multiply with 60. You will get 480. Now if you divide by 16, you will get 16 3 the 48. So what will be the answer? 39 degree, 22 minutes and 30 seconds. ठीक है, as I have told you earlier in the beginning, so we have divided 1 degree into 60 parts, that is known as a minute. We have again divided minute into 60 parts, that is known as the second. So we have to just either you leave it without dividing. If you divide, you have to take care whatever the remainder. Okay, you have not to put decimal here. You have to convert first into minute by multiplying 60. Then you have to divide. If you get again remainder, then you have to again multiply by 60. Then you have to divide. Then this answer will come into second. This is second. So you get the answer. We get the answer 39 degree, 22 minutes and 30 seconds. If we convert 11 upon 16 into degrees. Okay. This is a little difficult because we have converted in both the ways. Okay. All questions are not difficult. Okay. Just see the next one. देखिए -4 है, -4 को we want to convert. तो first we convert फिर 4 as pi radian is equal to 180 degree. 1 radian equal to 180 upon pi. So 4 radian equal to 180 upon pi. Pi means 22 upon 7. ठीक है, ठीक है. You have to multiply 4 also. So if you divide, you will get 2 to the 4. Here you will get 11. The same manner you have to divide. First of all, if you divide, you have to take care, as I have told you, first answer will come in degree, then minute, and then second. You have to put minus sign also. ठीक है, same way. In the third part, 5 pi by 3. If we have 5 pi by 3, ठीक है, it is simple. ठीक है, we know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So 1 radian equal to 180 upon pi, and 5 pi upon 3 equal to 180 upon pi into 5 pi by 3. So here we are getting pi, so pi we are cancelling. 3 6 80 60 65 300 degree. So it is very, very simple. If we get the number such that which are cancelling with pi, okay, then it is a very simple calculation. So then you have to conclude, you have to convert is degrees into radian and radian into degree. Mostly part I have told. So you have to complete the exercise of chapter 2, miscellaneous exercise, and question number 1 and 2. Okay. Remaining question we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss the remaining part. Now I want to discuss I want to see your notebook, as I have told you earlier. Just show me your notebook. Hello, Rohit sir. Hello.